Well, hello everyone, it's me, Handy Danny, and I am making this video for you guys and doing not a tool review, but a product review of something I think is pretty awesome. This is pretty great, okay? So, um, what I went out and got is this right here. It's called strip lighting, and I'm just trying to show it to you right here. It's a 38, 38-inch LED motion tape light, basically. And honestly, you can buy more. I do believe you might be able to attach more to it, maybe. I think you can to make it longer. You can cut it to make it shorter. It comes with batteries. Don't necessarily recommend these through and through for the simple fact that they won't necessarily last long. But this right here is pretty cool. Why am I doing this video in black and white? Because I really want you to be able to see this light strip right here, okay? So I just flipped it on and you can see the lights burning right there. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And you just hit the little button here and, the lights go on and go off. Pretty simple, pretty easy. This right here also does a motion detector. So you can actually set it right here. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but there's a little switch right here. You switch that right there, and it's going to just do it off the motion. As you can see, the lights just came right on there. And as I flip that, you can see the lights come on and off. It has a little bit of a Velcro right here on the back. I'm not sure if you can see that or not there. M3, it's the best stuff in the world. This stuff can hold up a cow on the moon. I don't know. But it's pretty good. I mean, I like it for the simple fact that you can put it underneath your cabinets. I have installed this into the kitchen on a motion detector to when you walk in the kitchen, the light automatically kicks on. And I have it very low underneath the baseboard of the cabinet because, I want it to be discreet. I don't want it to be any wires running all over the place. And this right here, you just stick it on there. It has a little adhesive right here to where, you just stick it on there. You just, no drilling, no electricity required, no electrical work required. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I got this from the Home Depot. It was like, I think, $10 or so for this little light strip right here. And it's just 38 inches, soft white, basically. Long enough to kind of do what you need to do. Purchase one for the bathroom. Purchase one for the bedroom. Purchase one for the bedroom, master bathroom. So when I walk in there in the middle of the night, have to use the restroom maybe, the light kicks on. I can see where I'm going. I can know what's happening. In the kitchen, late night, I go get some water. It kicks on. But I do not recommend you leaving it on motion detection 24/7 unless you want to buy a bunch of batteries or get yourself some rechargeable batteries maybe, for the simple fact that you can burn these batteries out pretty fast if you decide to do so. But, just kind of get used to flipping that switch, make that switch accessible to where you can just reach down there, flip it on before you go to bed. If you have kids, if you install it in the kids' room, under their bed, wherever you decide to put it, just get accustomed to flipping that switch at nighttime versus leaving it on 24/7 unless you plan on buying a lot of batteries. But great product, pretty simple, pretty easy. You can install these guys literally anywhere, your vehicle, behind your TV, anywhere. So check it out. Let me know what you think about it. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.